Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to book a hotel or rent hotels on the Korean Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the More button down below and then click on Hotel and Car Rentals. After that, you should tap on Hotel at the top and select one of these options down below. Tap on it and then you will be directed to a page. Click on Confirm, where you can book an accommodation. Tap on Accept. You should select the destination. You should wait a few seconds till it loads in. Then you will be able to add all of the relevant details. Tap on one of the options, click on the check-in check-out date, select the number of rooms and guests, then click on the search button down below in order to search for the options or the offers. And if you would like to narrow down your search, you can apply filters at the top of the screen. You should wait a few seconds till it loads, and then you will be able to search for the stays. And then you can finalize the process of booking the hotel. So here you can find the options. You can check out the property highlights, amenities, facilities. And basically that's it for this video, guys. You can see the available rooms and then book it if you want to. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.